Hiya! So today I'm going to show you this Coach Hayden bag. It is absolutely gorgeous. I properly love this bag. The condition is excellent throughout and it's just so, you know, some bags are really cleverly made, cleverly designed. This is one of those. It's quite small and discreet, but there is pockets and compartments for all of your essential needs inside this bag. So I'm going to talk you through it. It's got a long strap. The strap is removable, so you can take the strap off. I'll show you on the inside in a minute how you do that. So you could have it as a little clutch bag or even as a purse. I'll put it on so that you can see the length. So I'm about 5'4", I'm a UK size 8'10". The measurements are on the website. This is just to give you an idea of the size. So it does come with the Coach Care card. If I can open it. Okay, so the Coach Care card and also the Coach product tag as well. So on the back, we've got a slip pocket that goes right to the base of the bag. So it's a real handy little pocket, and it's at the back, so no one can put the hand in, but I find those pockets great, you know, for things that you want to have easy access to. So maybe your phone, maybe your rail card, maybe some snacks. In my case, obviously, it would be snacks, but a nice little slip pocket there. You've got the Coach motif on the front, and it's a flap closure with Prested fasten. And then here you can see how the strap removes. It's just a couple of Presteds, and you can see it's got the two loops there that you put the thing through, the strap through, so that it stays in position, it doesn't flap around. Okay, we've also got, can you see there, the stamp, the Coach stamp there. And then at the back, we've got a slip pocket here. The main section has got 8 card slots in it. And then you've got the zipped part here. And it's got the V concertina, I can't think what that's called there, so that you can actually kind of get in. It's a bit sort of pouchy on the side there. Like I said, I like it because you could literally put everything in here. Your cards will go in, your phone will go in, there's space for your lipstick, snacks, key, you know, all the stuff that you kind of need to have with you, you can fit in here. And yet look how small and useful and handy it is. It's just fantastic. So the condition is excellent throughout. The exterior is excellent, the interior is excellent, and the hardware is excellent. It is just in incredible, excellent condition, and it's just beautiful. I absolutely love it. So, it kind of goes with this outfit, doesn't it? So, there's a link to this on our website. If you go to my comments below, there's a link that takes you there, and on there there's our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets, etc. as well. Whilst you're on the website, sign up to my newsletter, and then we'll send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. It takes a few seconds. You literally scroll to the bottom of any page, there's a little box, stick your email address, and we'll immediately send you your discount code. If you don't get it straight away, check your spam folder. Sometimes if your security is quite high, we can't break through to put it into your inbox. So check your spam folder and then add us to your address book. If you add us to your address book, then any future things that we send you will come into your inbox and not in your spam. What else? So also in the comments below, I'll put a link to our Instagram. If you're on Instagram, please come join us on Instagram. On stories on Instagram, we do a bit more of like a behind the scenes look to Armcandy. So if you're interested in kind of the background of what goes on in sort of Armcandy, what's going on in the shop, what's going on online, you want to come and follow us on Instagram and watch our stories. And finally, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, you should subscribe now. And set your alerts up so that we alert you when we have a new video that goes on. Basically, we have Armcandy coming in every single day. And I've got a little pile there to get through. There's some gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. I've got Prada and all sorts going on. You don't want to miss them. So subscribe to the channel, set up your alerts, and then who knows, maybe it's your dream bag that's coming on next.